This is Julio Jovel with Hall Thruster Visualization Project Team 10. Our team members are Brian Cover, Cameron Troy, Kyle Johnson, Iris Sigmund, and myself. We are working with Cassie Bowman on the Psyche mission. The focus of our project is to create a visualization on Hall Thruster that is interactive for users to learn from. Here on Tiger, we start on our main page with our team members. We do have our team meetings available here with our sponsor as well as our quality policy. This is our first sprint. Our first sprint started on October 9th and will finish the 23rd. This time frame will include a couple of days to do a review of the sprint as well as get some feedback from our sponsor in terms of what we have done and what she would like to see going forward. The first sprint's focus is on the initial framework. We are learning JavaScript, and the tasks are made to be smaller so that we can learn and refine as we go along. It's something that the team chose to do. We are also grabbing as many images and creating a cache of images of the Hall thruster, its use, its current availability, and 3D renderings, parts, components. We're trying to get as much of that together in this sprint so that as we move forward, we can just add them on and create the interactivity part of it. We do have a backlog of user stories that will actually just allow us to embed more into our web app, including social media, background information on the thruster, and more interactive images. Once we get feedback from the sponsor, this will allow us to know where we want to move forward on that. For our GitHub, we do have a GitHub repo already set up for the project. What we have is a master default branch, and from there, a copy of the master branch, which is our dev branch. We've chosen to create all branches that developers are working on from the dev branch, be able to merge into that. And once the sprint is near completion, we will merge the dev branch into the master branch so that we constantly have a functional piece of software for our sponsor. This being our first sprint, we don't have much in terms of our artifacts, and we expect to build those as we move forward and start caching our images and having a domain set up.